Have you ever wondered how to incorporate a STEAM activity for your preschooler? Well, in this video, we'll see what it's like to combine S for science and A for art as we walk through nature and look at the creation around us. First, go ahead, take a walk outside. Whether it's at the park, around the block, or your own backyard. Bring a small box to collect anything that you might find interesting. Leaves, rocks, flowers. The sky is the limit as to what can be collected as you walk through nature. Once your nature walk is over, you can add different color paints to the box. Shake extremely well and find out what new color combinations you have ended up with. The challenge is to promote thinking and observation throughout the activity, so continue to ask your preschooler questions about what they see and observe. If you're interested in more ideas about STEAM activities for preschoolers, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell to get our notifications. Or you can visit sixbloom.com/STEAM activities.